What's up, guys?
If I die.
Lollipop Dog here. Today we are gonna be playing Gandalf nextbots. So let's go.
Why is this not working?
But this game is so chaotic.
Just do it like I did. Why is this not working?
Hello there. I'm killing you. I don't care about anything else. My programming is just get that guy right now. There is no right. Oh, he's running? No,
You monkey! I can move!
I'm killing you.
Over there! Over there! Please! God dang it, I feel good. Come on, cool. I want to get on. No.
I don't care about anything else. My programming is just get that guy right
Oh! Oh! Get in! Get in! Who did that, bro?
I thought let's say nobody.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm killing you. I don't care about anything else.
Look at Jagged ran like that. Guys, that might mean McQueen. Guys, that might mean
Oh my god! Bro! You little big bag!
I want it.
Is he coming for me? He's coming for me! I'm getting to shiver me timbers. Get out!
In the safe room. We got Peter Griffin sticking his guns out.
Oh my god, who did that?
Not this gun. That was the horses. There's the TV.
Okay, come in.
Please.
Guys, we're cooked.
We got the
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry.
Get in. And there's a and then you run away from that button to work.
Close it! What?
That's not fair. That is not
Bro.
fair. Hello?
Bro.
You know, of course, you guys know what? You guys know what would
Get in.
even scary?
I survived the mochi.
Someone, open the door, please.
I am!
You open the door.
Run, go, go, go! Run, go, 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 go! Go!
Oh my god!
Freak!
Oh my god!
Just a second. I want to shut up. Hold on, wait.
That's creepy.
Open
on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
He almost got me. Go. He almost got me.
Oh, what crap?
Peter Griffin.
Oh wait, it's a rope.
You're dead.
It's a rope.
Oh wait, no, it makes it.
Why is it so? Thank you.
Wait, is he coming? It's not working.
Hey, give him that back.
Bro, my legs feel like a frosty.
No, it's really mine. Okay, Mr. Ballsy Pants. Oh,
Okay, Mr. Dick Pants.
running.
Oh, run.
Wait, I'm saving. Why?
How the hell
You are.
Nobody.
Oh my god!
Let me in! Let me in!
Someone open it. How do you open it?
You have to push this button. Do not open it.
Explain it.
What? Wait, what? Wait, how did you go through there? You cooked us.
I have something even scarier around.
What do you mean button?
Go on it!
You gotta press it.
Did I just see it over there? Yeah, you're cooked. Why did you open it?
Open up the door!
You have to be a sacrifice.
It's too late, buddy. That killed me.
We opened that, we let him!
I'm living nightmares. So what if I die to this? Who did that? Who did that?
Yes! Wait!
Bro.
Dang it!
Go, run to the TV. Here comes the game. You made when you were 2 years old.
Let me in! Let me in!
Get it. Close the door!
I got it. I went a little stinky.
I did this for now.
Uh-oh, my pants. The last one has to be a
No, look, I
sacrifice.
did. Uh-oh, stinky.
Oh my god!
Dude, look, I went stinky.
I'm letting you kill me. What are you doing? Come and kill me.
Whoa! Yeah. I'm at work on buying goods. I'm buying goods. Let Munchie kill me. Let Munchie kill me. Master, escape it.
Imagine getting shit on. Imagine. Oh shit! Go, shoot!
Move your big raccoon head. Oh my god! Nope.
I'm doing a sacrifice.
Let me in!
No, let them go. Get the safe zone.
Order was asking sacrifice.
Get in the safe zone, god dang it. I'ma die. Where the heck is Munchie?
Don't open it, you idiot!
Daddy, you have to be a sacrifice for punishment. You have to sacrifice.
Oh my god!
Get me! I lied! Buddy! Come and kill me! Munchie, scary! I went poo-poo!
Clapping. I'm clapping gritty.
Green, scary! Yeah,
From a butter pea pants. My hair is standing up.
Can you open the door?
But that would risk us too. Why did you do that?
Thanks for opening the door. Shit.
Get in! Get in!
Monkey's right there.
Go!
Hold on, wait.
Give me the basketball. Get the basketball.
Mendy's ball.
Come on, Black!
What are you doing in here?
Oh,
This game. Let me back in. Close the door. Close the door.
oh my god, oh my god.
I'm not that too.
Bro, why? Well, that really got me. Oh my god.
I told you
I've played these games before.
Guys,
Was it safe?
I just cooked everyone. Open the door.
I'm getting sacrificed.
I told you I am the one who
Oh,
summoned.
holy. Holy!
Chat, we're supposed to-
Frick.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. It's not how you do it, bro. God, that's not how you do it. You gotta do it flying.
No, you're ramming your head into him. You gotta do this. Look, I got a shirt. It ain't worth it.
Yo, wait. Guys, white raccoon.
Okay, didn't see me.
Sacrifice, bro. Sacrifice. The white raccoon in candy.
No!
Holy shit.
Look, you gotta shove this crowbar here. Look.
Wonder who summoned it.
Guys.
Bro.
Guys, you have to keep that door.
Do not close that door.
Go ask for
Why?
green.
Why is it supposed to be?
It was too funny.
I was gonna tell you about it.
Look at
I was
it.
gonna tell you now.
Green, look. Purple.
Who did that?
Party hat. Look, but he likes it. Look. He likes it.
I summoned him. So he should be
There goes
nice to
the
me.
door.
Shit, I have to be a sacrifice.
Dude, he likes it though. Look at.
Close that door.
He likes it though. Look at his face.
Oh, shit.
Close it! Close it! Close it!
Oh, you can't. Big bats.
Dude, he likes it though. Look at his face. That's it. Hey!
Open the door! Open the door!
Finger him. I'm fingering him.
You idiot!
What?
You can get in here.
You got it.
Get you.
I cannot spawn. I swear I would rather be in here. Look up the Fortnite where we dropping today.
Now, when you're bad POV, the belt,
Oh!
the cheeks. Oh, Munchie!
Oh my god, who keeps spawning these events?
Mochi. Whoever keeps doing this, I'm
Mochi.
come on.
We could report you because it's a vent.
Oh
spam.
shit, he's spawning right there.
Wait, what?
Bro, why did you open it?
Oh my god, what's it? Look at you.
Oh my god, you absolute raccoon!
Hey, you're raccoon too, buddy. Shower. Stop.
Oh my god!
Leave blue out there. Leave blue out there.
Let me back in. Let me back in.
Oh my god, I don't think it's spawning in there.
I think he's
We can kill his white soul. Lock him out.
Which white? There's
Yo, I
like
don't think
50
it's spawning
whites.
in there.
The one holding I like Munchie for president. I like Munchie. Munchie, lock him.
Okay, yeah. Let me in, please. I'll give you a chicken nugget. Hey, I'll give you a donut.
Those for president.
Can you open the door so I don't get stigma on?
Get out.
I want Monkey for president. Who agrees?
Where is it? Or she?
Yeah.
Whatever gender
Look like that.
it is. Oh!
He's coming. I heard Munchie.
Bro, the monkey is over there!
I'm so drunk.
Over there!
Let me in! Let me in! I saw him! Close the door! Close I'm summoning a demon!
I just got out.
Oh my
I can't move! No, you monkeys!
What level are you? Dude, look, Munchie! Munchie, hi, bro! There's a way, but dude, this is
No!
coming up, faces! Bye, see the afterlife. Bro, they were scared of Munchie being over there. Munchie was over there.
Munchie shit on my face last night. Run! Is that Dory the man? What the hell?
I can't outrun.
Yo!
Look at it for this. We gonna get cooked or am I gonna get cooked?
This is my back.
Wait, fuck. I'm gonna start shitting bricks.
Oh, go, go, go. Open it.
Bro!
Or else I'll explode you with diarrhea.
Open the door or I'm going to...
As I was saying.
You dumb hole.
Open the door. Hey!
Holy!
Where's Russia? Where's Russia?
I'm doing this
Open the door!
We couldn't.
He bought like that. What's good, man?
Guys, I think you could have
Bro, they digging in me, bro. Swear to God, man.
My programming is just get that guy right now. Because there is no like.
I got Among Us!
He's running.
What is this? How many times did you survive that? You blocked me off.
Bro! Hey!
Bro, they digging in me.
Guys, we're ready to get beat. Guys,
They saw me! They saw me!
right here.
No! She is always watching.
I don't know.
Is watching, she always.
You're surviving. How long you're surviving? Yo, somebody go out there.
Does that mean I've survived for a total of 8,000 seconds? Or have I shit myself 84 times?
Yo, can you open the door? Cause like I'm in daycare.
I think this
Mama! Hey!
Hey, you gotta be honest, I can see Look, I think he likes this getting up.
Blow him up!
Look at his face.
Let me show you
Look at
the
his
work.
face, though.
My programming is just get that guy right now.
Scuba dooba.
My programming is just get that guy right now.
Whoa!
Stay inside here so
¿Escuchas en inglés? En inglés.
Bro, stop digging in me.
basically gorilla time.
Bro, run.
Yeah, pinch climbing.
It's coming after me. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Get back in here,
I'm telling you. I don't care about anything else. My program is to get that
Who opened that? Who opened that?
Why not scared? You get that. Guys, nobody else is the game.
Teammate!
Go. Run! Hey, it's yellow! The yellow!
guy right
Whoa! Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna play.
Easy, I just went back.
I don't care about anything else.
Let me move!
That guy because there is no like. Oh, he's running.
I'm feeling dizzy. Okay. That's it for today, guys. See ya and stay safe.